Moving to or within Hawaii? Discover the best affordable and reliable movers near you for a smooth, stress-free relocation. Mainland to Hawaii moves typically cost between $3,500 and $7,000 for a 2-3 bedroom home, including ocean freight and fees. Expect transit times from 7 to 21 days. Movers are FMCSA licensed and bonded, with no deposit needed until your carrier and vessel are confirmed. Hawaii's unique lifestyle demands movers who understand island logistics. Choose local companies embracing the aloha spirit for careful, efficient, and affordable moves. Consider trusted local movers like Aloha Movers, Island Moving Co., and Maui Movers. They specialize in personalized, budget-friendly island relocations. 3 Movers offers reliable moving services across Hawaii: residential, commercial, military, and international. Experienced, professional, and committed to your satisfaction. Full packing, crating, storage, auto transport, and complete full-service moving options are available to meet every need. Your moving cost depends on the weight and volume of belongings, distance, and services chosen. 3 Movers aims to offer fair and transparent pricing. Urgent move? Same-day services are here for quick relocations. Plus, transport your vehicle safely with trusted auto shipping services. For your Hawaii move, trust 3 Movers for affordable, reliable, and professional service. Contact us today for a free quote.